Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the Kelco RTU Zap Ear Cleaner, a product designed to help you maintain your ear health between washes. This 5-gallon bottle promises a natural, pH-balanced formula that's biodegradable and made right here in the USA. Whether you're a pet owner, a professional groomer, or simply looking to keep your ears clean without causing irritation, this product might be just what you need. Let's break it down and see if it really lives up to the claims. The Kelco RTU Zap Ear Cleaner is a ready-to-use ear cleaning solution that's formulated with natural herbs, extracts, and essential oils. The formula is pH balanced, which is great for ensuring it doesn't dry out or irritate the skin inside the ears. It's biodegradable, so it's gentle on the environment, which is a bonus for anyone looking to make more eco-friendly choices in their routine. The 51 professional concentrate ratio is a standout feature, meaning this large 5-gallon bottle can last you a long time, saving you money in the long run. When I first tested the product, I appreciate how easy it was to use. The liquid itself has a very mild scent, thanks to the natural essential oils, which I really liked. It doesn't overwhelm the senses, making it perfect for those sensitive to stronger fragrances. I followed the instructions to use it as a touch-up between washes, and I found that it worked well without causing any dryness. The solution is gentle enough for regular use, and I noticed that it cleans effectively without leaving any residue. I didn't experience any irritation or discomfort, which is definitely a huge plus for a product going inside such a sensitive area. On the plus side, the Kelco RTU Zap Ear Cleaner is extremely easy to use. The natural ingredients and gentle formulation are a real bonus, especially for people with sensitive skin or pets that might react to harsher chemicals. The biodegradable nature of the product is also a big selling point for those looking to make eco-conscious choices. And let's not forget the price. Considering how concentrated the formula is, you really get a lot of value out of this 5-gallon jug. The convenience of not having to buy ear cleaners as frequently is a huge perk. However, while the price might seem like a lot upfront, the 50-to-1 concentrate means you're getting a highly concentrated product that lasts. That said, this may not be ideal for someone who just needs a small, more convenient bottle for occasional use. It's more suited to professionals or people who clean ears on a regular basis. Also, if you're someone who prefers an unscented product, the slight herbal fragrance might not be for you, though it's very subtle. In terms of value for money, I'd say this product is quite reasonable, especially when you consider how much it stretches. The concentrate ratio is fantastic for long-term use, so you're essentially paying for a large quantity that'll last much longer than smaller, regular bottles. If you're on the market for alternatives, you could look into other ear cleaners that offer similar natural ingredients, but you might find that they come in smaller, more expensive quantities. Kelco's formula certainly stands out when it comes to the professional concentrate, so there's not much competition at this price point if you're looking for a large volume that's still easy to use and effective. The product's build quality is solid. The packaging is simple but functional, and the size of the bottle makes it easy to store, though it might be a bit bulky for personal use if you don't need such a large amount. Now, as for longevity, I've only been using this product for a short period of time, but based on the concentration and the fact that you dilute it, I expect it to last quite a while. You're definitely getting a long-lasting solution for your money. So who is this product best for? If you clean ears regularly, either for yourself, your family, or pets, this product is a great addition to your routine. It's gentle, effective, and the 5-gallon size will save you money over time. For someone who just needs a quick fix for their own ears, though, this might be overkill, and there are smaller options available. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experiences with it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.